Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a nighttime clean with me after dinner. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started. So as you can see here, I am just picking up my table. I will be using the Mrs. Meyers Geranium scent to clean my table. I love this stuff. It works really good and it just smells so good. It's one of my favorites. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have a really big mess in my kitchen. I'm sorry for the camera, it's all shaky. My kids were playing in the background and it just started shaking. But yeah, we had just finished dinner. We made some carne asada tacos this night, and I had a lot of dishes from earlier just piling up. So here I am just putting them in the dishwasher. And here's my little Zoe. I just thought I would grab her and she would say hi. She's always after me everywhere. Even if I walk like one step, there she goes after me, and she just loves me, and I love her too. We also went grocery shopping just to pick up a few things that I needed from the grocery store. That's why there's all kinds of stuff all over. We put most of them away, but we still had some stuff out. And yeah, so here I'm going in with the Method Daily Granite Cleaner to clean the granite on the island. And I really like this too. It has a really nice scent to it. And I just find that it doesn't leave any streaks or anything on the granite. So I recommend it to anyone who would like to try something for their granite. Okay, so after I have put most of the dishes in the dishwasher, I'm going in with this Clorox cleanup to clean my sink. I just like it to be clean and disinfected because I do wash my pans and some things that didn't fit in the dishwasher by hand, and I will be putting them to dry for a while in the sink, so this Clorox just makes it, nice and clean. And here I am just going with the dishwasher pods. These are by the brand Finish, and I really like them. I also use the Jet Dry with it. It's just the liquid that you put into your dishwasher, so it doesn't leave any water residue when they're done washing, and they work pretty good. And here I'm just going in washing the pans and all of these dishes that didn't fit in the dishwasher. Some of them I just like to wash by hand and let them dry because I don't like the way they come out from the dishwasher. But yeah, and the dish soap that I'm using, I actually bought 3 bottles from Home Goods, and this one's by Gardenia dish soap, and I really liked it, but I was out of it, so that's why you saw me like trying to get the last of it. And here's another one of lemon verbena, I think that's how you say it. And they do work pretty good. I like them a lot. I just thought I would give them a try for the first time, but I was pretty amazed on how they worked. They're not as concentrated, I can say, as like the regular dish soap that you use for like Dawn dish soap or the store brands, but they do work pretty good and they do smell really good. That's what catch my eye. So here I'm going in with my Mrs. Meyers again, just giving it a quick wipe down. This stuff smells really good. It's one of my favorite scents. And then as you can see in the sink, there's some eggs there. So here I'm going to be washing them. Why? Because we have 5 chickens and they lay eggs every day. So we have some natural organic eggs every day, and these were just there for like 2 days. So there's a whole bunch of them that I had to wash. And I do like to wash them with dish soap just because they get full of, you know what I mean, all that stuff out there. And guys, please excuse my voice. I know it kind of sounds a little bit weird, but I am getting a cold and it seems like my voice is kind of going away. So I apologize for that. These are the sponges that I use. They're just by the brand Scotch. I've been using these for years and I really like them. These are the ones that I keep on going back to just because I can use them anywhere in the bathroom or anywhere. They just they're a little bit rough, but they don't scratch. And here's my 11-year-old Benji. He decided to go bring me some essential oils so I can turn on my diffuser. And yeah, just moving on, going into the stove, I will be wiping it down with just my dish rag, and it's just wet, getting all the food that's on there. And I'm going in with the Barkeeper's Friend Cooktop cleaner. This is my first time using this brand, so after using it, I can tell you that I did enjoy using it because it does do the job. It worked pretty good. I was pretty happy with it, so that'll be one thing that I'll be going in to buy again. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this song is so weird. I just could not help it. I kept on laughing because it just kept on, you know, the way it's saying, I spend my life, I don't know what else it says, but it sounds to me like it's saying, I spend my life 2 weeks just cleaning. And that just could not make me stop laughing. It's like, I'm always cleaning, and this song just played that. So I just had to share that. I just thought it was so funny. If you guys can go back and agree with me that that's what it says. I know it probably, you know, it doesn't say that, but I just thought it did. So after wiping the stove down with my microfiber rag, it's wet. So I cleaned off all that bar keepers from it, and I went in with some paper towels to dry it off, just to make it look a little bit extra shinier. And here is my little one, Aiden. He is 4, and he decided he wanted to be in my video. He is always watching YouTube videos with me of other YouTubers cleaning, and he said he sees other kids on the video, so he said, Mom, can I please be on your video? There's a lot of kids that are on your video. So I was like, okay, sure. So he went and grabbed his little broom and dustpan and just started helping me sweep. He's so cute, my little sweetie. So yeah, I just finished up by sweeping the kitchen. I didn't mop just because it was already late. I had to get my little one in bed, and I wasn't feeling too good. I was pretty tired. We had been out most of the day. So, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and here's the final result. So please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.